Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we're gonna make today is a drink called the Westside. It is very similar to a lemon drop, but instead of I think lemon drop is equal parts vodka to lemon and simple syrup, but this is we're going to use a lemon vodka right in this, so it's going to be lemony, simple syrup and lemon juice, freshly squeezed, and some mint. Right, the mint should give it a nice little freshness. Right, so first things first, we're going to go 2 ounces of our lemon vodka. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of simple syrup. Homemade. And next, we're going to go just half an ounce of lemon juice. Half an ounce. And last, we're going to add about 3 pieces of mint. I don't have any in my garden anymore, but I'm going to muddle this a little bit. Release some of them oils. All right, let me add a little bit of ice. You can smell that mint too. Again, you can do this in a shaker cup with the mint leaves and the ice to help crush it up just as well. But I have this neat spoon that has a muddle on the end of it, so I prefer making it in these glasses anyway. Go with a coupe glass. Strainer. I'm excited about this, right? One of the main differences between this and a lemon drop is you don't sugar the rim like you would do a lemon drop. All right, here we go. A Westside. Has the sweetness is just right. The lemon is pronounced. I can see why you don't really need a sugar rim on this because it's sweet enough. The mint's in the background, just a little bit, right? Just a little bit. But anyway, this is an excellent drink, and it's like I said, if you like lemon drops, you will like Westside, right? So do not forget to like, follow, and share, and comment, and have a good time. Enjoy yourself. Make some drinks. Entertain your guests. Put me on the big screen, and just let me play. Anywho, cheers.